Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
First, prepare your Samsung Z Fold 6 for split screen use. Open Settings and enable multi-window gestures and edge panel options. Use the inner main display that measures 6 inches for best multitasking space. Make sure apps you plan to pair are allowed to run in split view. Learn App Pair to save 2 app layouts and recall them from the edge panel quickly. Open the first app you want to use on the inner display. Swipe up from the bottom to open Recents and tap the app icon to reveal split options. Drag the icon to the top half to launch split view with that app on one side. Choose the second app from Recents or the edge panel to fill the other half. Adjust the divider to resize each app and balance your workspace. Use App Pair on the edge panel to launch 2 apps together instantly. Tap and hold an app handle to move it into pop-up view for quick access. Drag text, images, or files between windows to copy or share content quickly. Tap the divider and choose Maximize to focus on one app full screen. Save common layouts to the edge panel to reopen multitasking setups with a single tap.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.